Happy day to all. I'm Shabina Physio. This video is about the correct sitting posture to prevent yourself from body aches. First, keep your pelvis in neutral position with your buttocks against the back of your chair. This helps to prevent your pelvis from tilting forward, which is called anterior pelvic tilt, which forces your spine to curve more and which is often caused by prolonged sitting without enough exercise for your body and stretching for your muscle. Next, the natural curve of spine are maintained by keeping your ear, shoulder and hip aligned. Any deviation from this position causes shifting of the natural curves of your spine, which places extra stress on the spine, resulting in pain and also increase the risk of injury. Next, a small cushion can be used to provide support to lower curve of your back. Without it, your back tends to cause curve in the opposite direction, which leads to hunchback, which leaves your back vulnerable to injury. Next, when sitting at your desk, try to keep your knees almost aligned with your hip. This position helps to keep your neutral spine. Sitting in chair that's too low, position your knee above hip will place excessive stress on your back and can lead to back pain and stiffness of the muscles. Next, whenever we sit, we have tend to lean to the side. This bad habit causes your spine to curve more, which leads to issues like scoliosis, sprain. So ensure that your weight is evenly distributed to both hip in sitting position. Next, when you cross your leg or sit in the edge of the chair, or if just your toes are touching the floor, you put much stress to the large supportive muscle of your back, pelvis, hip. So keep both feet flat on ground or use footstool if necessary to support your legs. Next, keep your forearm parallel to floor on the desk you sit, which help to reduce the amount of stress on the joints of hand and shoulder. Ensure that you keep your keyboard and mouse at appropriate distance from your body so that you don't have to continually reach forward to use them, which will prevent you from rounded shoulder posture as well as the upper back pain. Next, if your monitor is positioned incorrectly without maintaining proper distance, you will be placing excessive stress on your neck because you have to be constantly looking up and down. This puts you at risk for injuries such as neck strain, sprain, cervical disc herniation, even headache. Next, protruding your head forward. You should be really aware of this bad habit and make a conscious effort to avoid it. For every inch your head moves forward, there is an extra pounds of weight placed on your neck. So which leads to forward head posture, which result in health issues like neck pain, back pain, muscle spasm, arthritis of neck, even restricted breathing, headache, migraine. So maintain a posture.